Financial management is a perpetual process, evolving as long as a company exists. It's not just a one-time task, it adapts continuously to technology, market conditions, and resources. This adaptability is vital for navigating economic uncertainties. Till the company exists, financial management is going to exist. It is not a one-time activity, instead, it's a perpetual or never-ending process. It is evolved and evaluated on a consistent basis which matches the trending technology, resources, market conditions, and tools. This adaptability is crucial for steering a company through economic uncertainties and market fluctuations. Financial management takes a lot of factors and disciplines such as accounting, economics, statistics, and mathematics into consideration while managing the organization's finances. Financial managers need to integrate knowledge from these diverse fields to make informed decisions that impact the organization's financial health positively. Financial management is all about managing the financial goals of the company. The primary objective of financial management is to maximize shareholder wealth. This goal underpins all financial decisions, steering them towards actions that enhance the company's value and ensure sustained profitability. Financial management involves a delicate balance between risk and return. The sign of sound financial management is the maximization of returns with less risk. There are multiple decisions like investment choices, financing options, and dividend policies that require an assessment of potential risks against the expected returns. Striking the right balance is essential for long-term sustainability. A manager or authorized person has to ensure the right balance between risk and return which will benefit the organization and its stakeholders. Managing the financial resources is a tough task and efficient utilization of funds is a key of financial management. It involves allocating resources optimally to ensure the organization's operational efficiency, growth, and overall competitiveness in the market. Managing the flow of funds plays a big role in determining the success of the business. To ensure the right flow, monitoring on a regular basis needs to be done.